In this video, we're going to be looking at arranging our build trays. When it comes to organizing our models on the build tray, we have two arrangement methods: arrange this tray and arrange project. Both of these can be found in the Arrange tab in GrabCAD Print. There's also a third option, a checkbox, called Optimize. When checked, the Optimize button allows GrabCAD Print to change individual part orientations in order to try and reduce overall print times. This means that this allows for rotation in all three axes for each individual part. So I've got my 4 spoon models here as an example. Let's go ahead and try to arrange this tray. And we can see that it rotated all the models so that they reduced their overall Z height, again reducing time, and limited it to 3 passes total. For the next example, I have these 10 buckle clips. I'm going to spread them out a little bit on the build tray, as if I was working, assigning different materials, just spreading them out to show. Now if I want to go and print them, I want to try and reorganize them. I'll go to Arrange. I'm going to turn off Optimize this time because I want to keep the same orientation. And I'm again presented with the two options, either Arrange this tray or Arrange project. In this case, I'm only concerned with this particular tray, so I'm going to click on Arrange this tray. My models will filter into the top left corner. Let's say instead, so I've got 10 models right now, I'm going to duplicate, let's add 110 more. So I've got an order for 120 clips. Obviously, they're not all going to fit on one tray. If I use that same Arrange this tray function, it will still work, but you'll notice that I have quite a few models highlighted in red that can't be printed. If I was connected to a printer, it would not let me print right now. I would either have to delete all of these red outline models or manually move them onto another tray. An easier solution when you have a situation like this is to use the Arrange Project tab button. This arranges the models on each tray and will create new trays as necessary to complete the entire job. So let's click on it here. And we notice that my first trays remain the same, but 2 more trays have been created, another full tray and a partial tray, in order to fulfill the entire order. I can then send each of these trays to my printer, and it ensures that I get all the parts that were requested.